guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss with another review. Alright, so we're right off Raymore Avenue, right next to the AC Hotel and also the Mini Cooper and BMW dealership. It's right over here, AC Hotel. Alright, so what we're taking a look at is another new apartment development right here in New Kingston. So it's close to the Cambridge, close to Via at Raymore. It actually started right after them as well, and that's what we're taking a look at today. Alright, so this is our apartment, and until now I don't even know the name. You know, they haven't put up any billboard. It's big, not as big as the Cambridge, not as big as Via at Raymore, but it's big. But I'm not sure what the name is. If you guys know, let me know. It's beside the Cambridge, and I think it also started after the Cambridge and after Via at Raymore as well. So we have Eden Garden over here. I think they closed down and somebody bought it out, but they haven't started any work over there. But you see better shots from the drone. There's also a much smaller apartment right beside this one, which a lot of person is saying, you know, in a few months or a few years someone is gonna buy this a lot and turn it into a mega apartment, because it's a decent sized lot. It's a lot of green space though, but it's one small apartment on it, which you guys will see from the drone. It's a green area. The grass is so green. But yeah, this is where we're at, taking a look at this apartment. It's almost finished. What I'll do as well, I'll put in the comments a previous video I did on this apartment, so that you guys can see where it's coming from. I think they may have a rooftop pool, but we'll see if we can see that from the drone. But again, New Kingston, booming with development. Let me know your comments, let me know your thoughts. Remember to like the video, and remember, subscribing does not cost anything. So please subscribe, it's free to subscribe. Alright, so I recently did a video on the Cambridge. You guys can check that out. And then this complex is beside the Cambridge, and I did a video on Via at Raymore as well, which is just around the road. You can see a part of it right there. So these three new developments is pretty close to each other. Very central as well, very close to other commercial developments. And it's New Kingston, you know, city life, uptown. But again, guys, let me know what you think about these developments, in particular this one in terms of design. Again, I don't know the name, I don't know all the amenities, because I haven't found anything on them, but let me know. As usual, it's a drone video, so I'll be sending up the drone real soon, so we can get some aerial shots of this complex. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the drone shots. Remember to comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe, because we're growing the channel.